Okay, this is what I'm working on. I just got these little pieces right there out of the drawer. Let's see here, where is it? In the drawer, right? So in the drawer, I've got these here, which are those, right? These itsy bitsy little tiny things, right? Anyway, they go on the ends of the things because I didn't have it because they were all over the place. Anyway, so much for that. This is the work area. That's maybe, and then 550 and another 550 and just some more. Let's see, well here. There's that Sears, the JBC we started way back when. And there's that old Sears that I got from Red Ben Joe, who passed away recently. Oh well. Here's some, what are these? Toshiba and a couple of Iowas that I've repaired. Okay. And we're not even going under there. Okay, great. So.
You're going to have to move some stuff in your room because I'm going to have them do your room.
Yes, I've already moved the stuff in my room.
Oh.
I already picked up stuff and put it on the bed.
Okay, well, what did I see in here? I see all this on the floor right here.
Okay, well, if you, that hasn't moved in quite some time, but if you want me to pick all that up, I can.
Yeah, and just set it on the bed so they can start off. Yeah, because
Okay.
you got this. I don't know why I mean, those boxes have been there 7 years. That speaker thing, you know.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
my home stereo stuff.
Okay, I'm out in the front yard just for a few more minutes.
Okay, great. All right, well, can't ad-lib that. Okay, so here's cassettes. My home stereo, which I'll never play, but who knows. There's that old thing there. There's a Fisher and a Toshiba that I tried repairing, and then there's a Lasonic that I repaired recently, and then just other things that's been repaired. And we've got some Toshibas and some other things here, and I don't know, and all these miniature Sanyos and Toshibas and such. Some have been repaired. I'm still repairing these things. There's a Kaboom. There's these here and these couple of Iowas here which have been repaired. And we've got the M71 which is missing a handle. Okay, we've got your stuff there. Let's see. And in the closet we've got the, yeah, it's a, what's in the closet here? Oh, can we see it in the dark? Will it focus in the dark? I'm not going to get it out, but that's what it is right there. I'm sorry it's shaking, but okay, so yeah. There it is. I'm not pulling this thing out. Okay. There's that. Okay, so and then that light off, and then here's the room. Okay, and all these, you know what those are, right? And then these have been repaired. And then we've got all this stuff here. Right? Okay, and then just Walkmans in cases, and then there's a Toshiba, a National, and anyway, all this stuff. You can see all day rattling off stuff. Idler tires, a bag of belts, right? But what I'm here for is this, right? Which has been sold. So throw this up on the tripod and just rotate it around. Bring it over to there. That's good enough. Okay, so now get this off the shelf, right? There it oops. Okay, so there it is. Does it show up in the camera? Right, so this is this here. Okay, great. And I already put a power cord in the back compartment. There it is. Can you see that? Oh well. Okay, great. So there's that, right? It's got a power cord port. So plug in this power cord, and then just okay. So auxiliary.
Here's just an example. If you're searching for a new vendor to handle my search marketing campaign.
AM. So there's AM. That's AM over here and FM over here. Right? So this one lights up over here. Anyway, that lights up and you can flip it over this way. That one lights up. Got that? So
How pumped I was to find them. The representative
got the
answered the phone
antenna.
every time I called and quickly addressed any
there it
questions
is.
or
Goes up,
concerns I
goes
had.
down.
Let Salem Surround give you an absolutely free audit of your current marketing and show you what your competition is doing.
If you have an auxiliary, which I don't have, but you plug it into the end right there. Okay, great. And then you take your cassette, eject, and put it on A. There's nothing on B. That's right. Okay, go this way. Put it in here. Well, here. So then hit play. And you have to put it on tape. Wait. It'll do this. There's no music search or anything like that. And then we can do, that's rewind. Okay, so it is rewinding. Hit stop. Do fast wind. Okay. See if we can get past that song to the next one. So there it is. Works like that, looks like this. Yes. And then there we go. Who's that guy? Alright, so gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. This has been sold. Don't ask for it. Oh, that's what I forgot. Yeah. Where is that page? Yeah, I meant to do that. Well, here. Okay, well. Okay, that's my email address. Contact me there if you want anything else. Alright? My name is, you know my name, right? Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I gotta go, so it's the only way I know that you'll, anyway. That's how you contact me. Thanks. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.